Whatever you guys do, do
Then PUBG.
not play PUBG Mobile. It's so bad. This game is so bad. I've been playing for like 30 seconds and I wanna puke so bad. I don't even know, the graphics are trash. I'ma delete this. I never played this and I'm trying it now. And like, this is waste. This game is actually waste. So bad. Why did I even think of trying to play this game and see how it is? A waste of time. Freaking trash. Fills with a bunch of weird Indians. All these weird Indian people keep on talking. I don't even know what they're saying. Freaking weirdos. What a trash head. Man, this game is sketchy. This game is sketchy. I don't even know what I'm picking up. Energy drinks, are you kidding me? What the hell? This is a joke. This is a truly joke. What am I doing with my life? The graphics are so ass. This game's trash. Who plays this freaking shitty game? What the hell? What is this? Guys freaking wearing underwears, what the hell? Oh shoot, look at that. Can I even, ooh, damn. Whoa, who's shooting at me? Who's shooting at me? Shit, what the hell? Fuck going on? Die. What the hell? This guy, what the hell is this guy doing? What the hell? This game's trash.